Right, as you can see, it rained a couple of days ago, so the drainage system has pretty much worked. It was all absolutely flooded before. I haven't been around to doing it for the last couple of days, only because I stubbed my toe with a cocktail stick. Oh god, tell you what, that was painful. Anyway, it still is. Doesn't look like it's infected, but anyway. So I've now managed to get cow shit, which will help turn that in. I've also got some topsoil potting mix also as well around the corner here, and we're going to re-dig it all in, get all this, because there's going to be lots of minerals in this clay type soil also as well. So so that's the next stage, is to get that all done in here. And then once all that's done, I will start the process now, because I've got the potting mix. I can actually start to plant my cucumbers in these little things. Get 2 or 3 in each one. So that'll be the next stage. I'm just going to wait for my foot to heal a little bit more before I can do anything. It's a bit hard work on there. But anyway, catch you later in the next progress.